So I just want to give a little demonstration on how to use our subtraction mat. So as you can see, this is a mat that has hundreds, tens, and ones. So I'm just going to put a sample problem on here. So if my number was 321 minus 293, I would write that over in this section called written record. And then I'm going to take this 321 number and I'm going to break it down. I'm going to make my 300s, my 2 10s, and my 1 1. So as you can see, hundreds are squares, tens are lines, like 10 sticks, and ones are dots. So when I start this problem, if I look at starting my subtraction, 1 minus 3, I can't do that. I have to borrow from my neighbor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my 10s and erase it and turn it into 10 ones. And now what I'm left with is 1 10, so I'm crossing out that 2, and 11 ones. So now I can do that. 11 minus 3. And I can go over here and I can erase my 3, and then I can count 5, 6, 7, 8. And I've got my answer 8. All right, the next column, 1 minus 9. I can't do that. We're in our tens column, so we're going to look, and we only have 1 10 here. We've got to cash in one of our hundreds. So I'm going to erase 100, and I'm going to make 10 tens. All right, so now what I have here is 11 tens, and I have 2 hundreds. So now I've got 11 minus 9. So I look at my 11, I'm going to erase 9, and I'm left with 2. There we go. Now my third one, 2 minus 2, these are hundreds. Going to erase 2, take away 2, and I'm left with 0. So I've got my final answer is 28. All right, so you can print one of these out at home from clicking on the PDF, or you can just make your own on a piece of paper. And that's how you work it out.